Class 8th, Chapter 4, Exercise 4.2. Question number 1. Construct the quadrilateral LIFT where LI is 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 cm and IT is 4 cm. We need to construct a quadrilateral LIFT where Li is 4 cm, IF is 3 cm, TL is 2.5 cm, LF is 4.5 cm and IT is 4 cm. Now, to construct a quadrilateral LIFT, first we draw a line Li 4 cm. Now draw a line Li 4 cm. Now with LS center and radius LT 2.5 cm, draw an arc. Now open your compass 2.5 cm. Now from point L, draw an arc of radius 2.5 cm. Now with IS center, draw IF draw IT is equals to 4 cm. Now open your compass 4 cm. And from point I, draw an arc of radius 4 cm which cuts the previous arc, and the point of intersection is known as point T. Now join LT and TI. LT is 2.5 cm and Li is 4.4 cm. Now with IS center, draw an arc of radius 3 cm. Now open your compass 3 cm. Now from point I, draw an arc of 3 cm. Now from point L, draw an arc of radius 4.5 cm. Now open your compass 4.5 cm. Now from point L, draw an arc which cuts the previous arc. Now the point of intersection is known as point F. Join IF, LF and point TF. Now LF is 4.5 cm and IF is 3 cm and LIFT is the required quadrilateral. Now next question, third part. Draw a rhombus BEND where BN is 5.6 cm and DE is 6.5 cm. Now to draw a rhombus BEND, where BN is 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.5 centimeter. First we draw DE 6.5 centimeter. Then we know the diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other at 90 degree. So we draw perpendicular bisectors of DE to draw the rhombus BE and D. First draw DE 6.5 centimeter. First draw DE 6.5 centimeter. This is DE 6.5 centimeter. Now draw a perpendicular bisector PQ of DE. Now to draw the perpendicular bisector of DE, open your compass more than half of 6.5 centimeter. Now half of 6.5 is 3.25. Now open your compass more than 3.25. So I am opening my compass measuring 4.5 centimeter. Now from point E, draw an arc of radius 4.5 centimeter above the line segment and below the line segment. Similarly, from point D, draw the arc intersecting the previous arc above the line segment and below the line segment. Now join the two point of intersections of arc and name M be the midpoint of DE. Now cut MN is equals to half of 5. This is M. So MN is half of 5.6 centimeter and MBB is also the half of 5.6 centimeter because diagonals of a rhombus bisect each other. So half of 5.6 centimeter is 2.8 centimeter. Now open your compass 2.8 centimeter. This is 2.8 centimeter. Then from point M, draw the arc above the line segment DE and below the line segment DE. Now this is point N and this is point B. Now join BE BD EN and DN. So a BE and D is the required rhombus where BN is 5.6 centimeter and DE is 6.5 centimeter.